This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and software. This is essential. Check your phone or computer supports spatial audio and install the latest OS updates now. Next, pair a supported headset like AirPods Pro, AirPods Max, or a certified Dolby Atmos headphone. Make sure firmware is updated. Finally, pick source material that actually contains spatial audio, Dolby Atmos music, or an Atmos-enabled movie. Once these prerequisites are met, you can move straight into enabling spatial output in the OS and app settings. Now you enable the spatial layer. Open System Audio Settings and turn on Spatial Audio or Dolby Atmos. In your music or video app, switch playback mode to Dolby Atmos or Spatial Audio because apps often override system defaults. Make that change explicitly. If you use Bluetooth, confirm the codec supports the required bandwidth or use a wired connection. Otherwise, the effect will be downmixed. Adjust any head tracking feature if available, and make sure the app and device agree on output so the signal path remains Atmos capable. To finish, play a verified Dolby Atmos demo or Atmos-enabled title and listen for distinct spatial cues, sounds moving around you, depth and elevation. If you don't hear it, make sure headset firmware and your device OS are current, then unpair and repair the headphones, restart the app and try again. Also verify the app is outputting Atmos rather than stereo. Troubleshooting tip: if wireless fails, connect wired or use a different codec-capable device. This quickly isolates Bluetooth bandwidth or codec limitations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.